First, launch your web browser and go to the official Call of Duty website. Important: always double-check you're on the real site, not a fake ad. Look for the official logo in the address bar. Hover your mouse over the Games tab at the top of the page. From the drop-down list, select COD Warzone. Keep watching. The next step is where people make a costly mistake. Scroll down until you see the play options. Click on Battle.net to download the official setup file. Why Battle.net? Because Activision uses this launcher. It's safe, fast, and free. Open your File Explorer and go to the Downloads folder. Locate the setup file you just downloaded. Double-click it to install the Battle.net launcher. Don't click any pop-up ads pretending to be download buttons. Only click the real file. Open the Battle.net launcher and sign into your account. Don't have one? Click Create a free Battle.net account. It takes less than 1 minute. Then find Call of Duty under the All Games section. Click Play for free, choose your install location, and hit Start Install. Once the installation finishes, click the big green play button and start gaming. That's it. You're in. If this helped you save time and avoid mistakes, hit subscribe. Next video, the best settings to boost your FPS in Warzone.